Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. Starting from where we left off in the last video, the maintenance categories and assets are now created. It's now time for the manager to start configuring the preventive maintenance within the platform. In the following videos, I'll be guiding you through that process, and we'll be ending with the execution, data gathering, and reporting. Imagine a manager has a contract and he wants to add it into the platform. Once the maintenance categories and their technical sheets are configured, you'll be able to add tasks, interventions, and measurements to them. The first step is to create the task that will be executed in order to maintain the asset. There are different task types with different settings to meet the manager and the company's needs. To add a task, head over to the Maintenance section in the Administration tab, select the Maintenance category and edit. In the Category Details, select the Tasks and Interventions tab. New tasks can then be added to the task library within each category. To create a new task, the first step is to specify its type. It can be anything from a correction to an inspection, cleaning, proactive, or even a replacement. Then a name should be provided. Finally, the manager can also link the measurements created to the specific task by ticking the measurements box. So far, there are no measurements to link, but we'll talk about them in the near future. Leaving you with a pro tip: specific tasks according to technical characteristics. Infraspeak allows you to segment tasks, taking into account the asset's technical characteristics. If you want to explore this option, check the description below and learn more about this topic. Once tasks are added, in the same window, the manager can also add interventions. Wondering what interventions are? They are a group of maintenance tasks that are grouped together to create preventive maintenance plans. For example, 3M, quarterly, SR, simple routine. These tasks may be grouped by interventions, and these interventions can be added to jobs afterwards. Interested? Make sure to watch the next video in our series. But if your business has tasks that require technicians to record data, don't worry. In Infraspeak, it's possible to add measurements to tasks. These measurements allow technicians to record data within the task, such as water temperature in a pool or electricity meter readings. To configure these measurements within a category, you have to go to the Measurements tab. According to it, fill in the necessary information. The types are value range, cumulative, multiple choice, audit, and text field. So far, we have spoken about technicians registering data on Infraspeak. However, you can also enable measurements automation through the IoT store by using the IoT solutions to smarten your platform. If you want to know how to do so, just check the description below and learn more about this solution. That's it. You are now able to start configuring your maintenance categories in order to prepare your preventive maintenance. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.